Hello, Earth signs. Hello, my beauties. Welcome into Friday. We are going to do your general read for the weekend. See what you got going on. As always, whatever is the most important message to come out. Ooh. I keep hearing TikTok. 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 Time's up. Time's ticking down. I don't know where that. Speak your truth. TikTok. Ooh, what do you have for the air signs for this weekend? What do you need them to know? Pay attention to. Between worlds. Number 3. Difference between the old and the new. Between the worlds is where you must let go of the tendency to make assumptions. This is a time when you're unable to see what is ahead. Cultivate curiosity and trust the process of change and growth. You are done learning the lessons of recent experiences. In this place between what was and what will be is a state of making and unmaking and making again. What is essential now is to admit not knowing. There is a great freedom and power to be unleashed. A mystery that is not yours to understand weaves the web of life within a divine matrix of consciousness greater than your own thoughts, feelings, beliefs, desires, and decisions. The seeds that were planted in the past begin to take root, but what surfaces will probably not be what you expect. When you are between worlds, you are invited to see with the curious eyes of a child, glimpsing a rainbow for the first time. Do so, and you will not be disappointed. Have zero expectations. Zero expectations. Allow. What will be, will be. Let it be. Let it be. The Beatles. Yes, the Beatles. Having zero expectations of what's to come will make the surprise that much more exciting, or will make the future that much more exciting. I didn't see that coming. Okay. Bottom of the deck. 9 of Wands. Okay. No longer fighting the outcome. No longer fighting the outcome. Dropping all of your expectations. I was about to say dropping your boundaries, but that is a big hell no. Dropping all expectations. Dropping all expectations. Letting your guard down. There you go. Letting your guard down. You guys are coming out as the 8 of Cups and the High Priestess. 8 of Cups in reverse and the High Priestess. Okay. the person you're dealing with, Two of Cups and the Hierophant. Okay. You may have been, or currently still are, we'll get into it, that type of person where once there's conflict within a relationship, I'm out. I'm out. And let's clarify. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. This is something, it's almost like you're realizing it about yourself now. Okay? But this person you're dealing with is showing you unconditional love. They're showing you unconditional love. And whatever this conflict was, we'll get into it. You had that fight or flight reaction within you, but you didn't do it. You stayed. But you also didn't tell them you have this fight or flight personality because of whatever happened in your past. Okay. But as I said, this person is showing you unconditional love. They're the Two of Cups and the Hierophant. They're teaching you and they're showing you unconditional love. This is very traditional, very grounded. Very traditional, very grounded. They bring you a lot of joy. They bring you a lot of joy. They bring you a lot of joy. You bring them a lot of joy. You have a lot of fun. You have a lot of fun together. Okay. I'm feeling though there may be an instance, or there may have been an instance that's coming up this weekend or whatever time frame it happened. You may have been out with friends and with this person, and you noticed maybe somebody else was getting like a little too close to your boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever they are, or being a little too touchy-feely, being a little too flirty. And okay, that made you want to just bye. I don't play those games. But they weren't the one that was doing it. And they put the brakes on it. They put the brakes on it. Okay. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands. In your past, I mean, we have a lot of fire out here. In your past, like I was saying, you could have dealt with a very flirtatious person who flirted with anything and everything that walked in front of them, and who also, I don't want to say every single one, but maybe the majority of them, of your relationships that you were in the past, ended in a third-party situation where you were being cheated on. And quite honestly, it did take up a lot of your energy, and you needed to do a lot of healing work. Like, you just held on to it and held on to it and held on to it. Like, it was, not that it was your pride and joy, but it was a trophy. Like, I get cheated on in every single relationship. People don't care about me. People don't care about breaking my heart. But it always started with the flirting. So as I said, you had a lot of healing to go through because of cheating. If you can step out on me and sleep with another person and then come home and sleep in the bed next to me, there is something fucking wrong with you. I don't care. I don't care. There's something wrong with you. You're a sick and selfish, twisted individual. That fucks people up mentally. So anyway, fight or flight kicked in, but you didn't run. Suggested action. I'm sorry, blockage, not suggested action. Blockage. King of Wands, the moon, and the sun. I know it's very hard to open up to people, and staying introverted and dealing with your own issues is your way. That's your deal. That's your thing. But how can somebody love you, show you love, and give you love if they don't know how to? Because you're not telling them. We tell people about our past, about the things we've gone through, our traumas and whatnot. And when you're telling somebody who's healthy, you're showing them, teaching them how to love you. You want to keep things bottled up. I'm the strong man. I'm the strong woman. I can take care of it all myself. I don't need to. I'm gonna keep it all. I keep it all in. I'm gonna keep it all in because I don't want my past, or I feel like me telling you about the past. That's just a burden for you, and I don't know what. No, we need to open up about ourselves. Clarify the King of Wands and the Moon. We need to open up about ourselves. Now, if you open up to a narcissist, you're damn right. They will use your past against you. We already know that. You've probably dealt with it time and time again. Show them your pain. We're clarifying with the Queen of Swords and the Ten of Swords. They need to know everything you've been put through. I'm not saying you gotta open up your whole encyclopedia on the first date, but the stronger the connection is, the more you're realizing you can trust this person, opening up more and more and more. By holding it all in because you think you're this strong person, you're not going to be able to continue to heal from the past, and you're going to see things that this person does or that they don't do or whatever, even though they're not doing something wrong. It's going to trigger you. It's going to trigger you right into that fight or flight. Open up. Suggested air sign. Are you dealing with an air sign? Suggested action. Action. Action, action. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The Tower. And the Eight of Pentacles. This is flowing together. If you do not open up about your past, you will continue to stay in the same cycle or sign. You'll continue to stay in the same mentality. You'll continue to stay in the same lesson. The same mental prison. The same mental prison. You need to open up, speak your truths, speak your past. So that entire mentality of you have of everybody cheats on me, so this person is going to do it too. That entire foundation can come down crumbling because not everybody cheats. It's just the people you were with in the past. And I'm not judging you. I used to have the same mentality. Every freaking relationship I was in, I got cheated on. Every last one of them, up until my current marriage right now. You need to open up about your past so you can build on a solid foundation. Continue to work on yourself and continue to build this relationship. This person isn't going anywhere. This person, it's like they only have eyes for you. They want to help you. They see the pain in your eyes. They see how you get a little standoffish when there's points and times where you get standoffish around other people. They see it. And they don't want you to think that they are your past, because they're not. Possible outcome in the future. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We have the Emperor, Ace of Cups, Nine of Cups. No longer doing it like you did in the past. No longer bottling everything up. Taking control, taking charge of your mental, taking control of your heart. Opening up, Ace of Cups. Because you love this person. You already have love for this person. This person already has love for you. Nine of Cups. This is like your dream and wish come true of a relationship. Your dream and wish come true of a relationship. And you don't want to lose it. You don't want to continue to stay in that past mentality of thinking everybody is the same. Because they're not. Thinking everybody's going to cheat on me. Because they're not. This person is offering you their love. You just got to want it. And when you're in a relationship, it's give and take. It's communication about everything. I tell my wife the most insignificant shit all day long. I'm like a Snapple bottle cap. All day long. This is your dream and wish come true. But you got to open up about who you are. Who are you, Earth sign? How did you get to where you are now? All right, my lovelies. Have a beautiful weekend.